Hello to all budding entrepreneurs. I'm Bhavishri Suruvachala, a Tinker Champ and the CEO and founder of Adolescent Issue. As we approach the final days of this bootcamp, I know you all want your work to shine and build a winning pitch deck and video. I'm here to share my personal tips from my own experience in creating a pitch deck and video that made it to the top 100. I understand you may have many questions and doubts, like how to do that, how to do this, what to do this, and many more. Before we dive in, understand what the jury wants. The jury will evaluate your pitch on several key criteria: the innovativeness of your digital product, the necessity and clarity of the problem you are solving, the number and variety of digital skills you have integrated, the innovativeness of your business model, and how you're going to brand and market, and how you're going to implement those strategies, sales techniques, and the scalability of your business idea. Make sure to meet or exceed these expectations. Here are a few key points to remember, so let's dive in. Number one, start enthusiastically with your tagline. Begin with energy and a compelling tagline. It should wake up all the judges and listeners. Make sure that no one is sleeping. This approach worked wonders for me. I captured the judges and audience's attention right from the start and made a significant difference to it. Introduce your team. The judges look for strong teams who can lead successful business ventures. Make sure to introduce yourself and your team members. Highlight the specific skills each team member brings to the team, their contribution areas, and how you all work together to set up your business venture in the last few several weeks. Tell us what soft skills and hard skills you acquired in the process of working as a team. This shows your team bonding. Number three, use visuals and data. The judges don't have much time to read a lot of text in your pitch. It will become so boring. So keep the text short and make them understand your key message through visuals and numbers. Include plenty of pictures and charts. Utilize charts and graphs to show that you have researched the problem area and have validated it with data. Visuals make your presentation engaging and informative. For me, this strategy highlighted my thorough understanding of the problem and made my pitch more convincing. A compelling narrative makes your pitch memorable. So make the entire pitch deck flow like a storyline. Crafting a captivating story of your business venture will make it possible for judges to read well and remember well. Sharing the story of adolescence made my pitch relatable, engaging, leaving a lasting impression on judges. Number six, demonstrate linkages and learnings. The judges would like to understand how you made use of your learnings in the bootcamp and integrated them to your business venture. So show them how you have applied the learnings from previous modules to build your business venture. For example, I integrated multiple digital skills to build my digital product that added significant value to my target audience. Show how the business model you developed helped you commercialize your products and services. For example, I was able to clearly demonstrate the influence of customer relationship and channels in the BMC or the business model canvas to the way I marketed and sold my business products and services to my customers or clients. Number six, demonstrate how you built a brand that stands out. Emphasize how you promoted your products and services among your target audience and highlight your marketing branding strategies with concrete examples. For instance, I came up with a brand logo, name, tagline, marketing message that were meaningful for my business and relevant to my clients or customers. It helped me find my unique value proposition and compete better in the market. I use brand messaging consistently in my digital product, business cards, websites, online stores, flyers, posters, and other art crafts to build a valuable brand that stands out from the crowd and has significant brand recall. Number seven, demonstrate your selling power. Show how effective you are good at selling your products or services through an online store or other online marketplaces. If you sold your digital skills on Kindle, Play Store, App Store, Spotify, and other platforms, make sure to highlight the same. Talk about the number of people who visited your store, number of people who bought your products or services, the feedback they provided, the revenue you generated, and anything else that can highlight your success at selling. Number 8. Show how you put it all together. Show that how successfully you have built your online business venture, how you ran a marketing campaign to attract customers or clients. What did you do as part of your campaign? How many customers did you target? What revenue targets did you aim for? And how successful your marketing campaign was. Also, tell us how you handled customer queries, how you plan to convert your leads into prospects and prospects into customers. Number 9. Future plans. It's very important. Share your plans for the next 6 months. Outline how you aim to improve and implement your product or service. Talk about specific product features you plan to implement, the number of customers you wish to target, the revenue you wish to generate, or any other milestones you wish to hit. Detailing my future plans show that to the judges that I had a clear vision for my business growth, which was a significant factor in my success. Number 10, highlight your ask. Lastly, the ask is one of the most important aspects of your pitch. Clearly state how much funding you need to accomplish your goals during the next 6 months to 1 year. This shows that you have a clear plan and know what resources you need to achieve your objectives. For me, defining ask helped articulate my financial needs, plans for growth, making my pitch more persuasive. Number 11. Script your pitch. Before you shoot your pitch videos, write down what you wish to say before speaking. This helps you to frame your words and thoughts clearly, making your pitch video perfect. This technique helped me deliver a clear and confident pitch, which resonated well with the judges. Keep the focus of the video on your product or service and not on you. The judges don't want to see you, but wish to see what you have built and how you have built. Shoot the video in landscape mode while avoiding any background noise. Avoid jerky movements of the camera. Take multiple shots and stitch them together into complete pitch video using a video editing tool. Add light background music to enhance the appeal of your pitch video. Speak your script while you record each video. A compelling narrative makes your pitch memorable. So make the entire pitch deck flow like a storyline. Crafting a captivating story of your business venture will make it possible for judges to read well and remember well. Sharing the story of adults and check your pitch. Before you shoot your pitch video, write down what you wish to say before speaking. This helps you frame your words and thoughts clearly, making your pitch video perfect. This technique helped me deliver a clear and confident pitch, which resonated well with the judges. Keep the focus of the video on your product or services and not on you. The judges do not want to see you, but wish to see what you have built and what you plan to do ahead. Shoot the video in landscape mode while avoiding any background noise. Avoid jerky movements of the camera. Take multiple shots and stitch them together into a complete pitch video using a video editing tool. Add light background music to enhance the appeal of your pitch video. Speak your script while you record each video clip. Be loud and clear. Be enthusiastic, engaging, and attractive. Number 12. Seek feedback and suggestions. Discuss your pitch related ideas with your mentor early on and get their inputs and suggestions. Keep sharing sections of your pitch deck and video with your mentors and teachers, as you will be needing to complete each section. You can take the guidance experience because they are very invaluable. One of the most common mistakes is to go to a mentor or teacher at the last minute. It will be too late to undertake any correction action. They can point out crucial elements that need emphasis and refinement. Personally, feedback from mentors help me refine my pitch and elevate its quality. Number 13. Submit your pitch. You have time till 10th August to make the pitch deck submission and you have enough time. So you no need to rush. Take your time to do a good job. At the same time, don't wait till the last day or last minute to submit your pitch. The technical issues with the portal could play spoil sport. So make sure submit a day or two before the deadline. Earlier the better. Remember, you're not just creating a pitch deck, you're telling the story of your entrepreneurial journey. Make it exciting, engaging, attractive, and reflective of your passion and purpose. More doors and opportunities will open up if you do a good job. Good luck, give it your best shot. Hope to see you in the top 100. Thank you.